Good morning, guys. Today market open gap up and it is going up. It is just a retracement. I'm thinking, and I'm seeing two opportunities here to trade. One is in LIC Housing Finance and other in Mindtree. In LIC Housing Finance, if stock went above this level, which is 308.6, you can see three high is here. The high of this candle is 306, 308.6. If the stock went above this level, we'll go buy in this stock. In the same way, in Mindtree also I see a buy opportunity if the stock went above this level, above this high, which is 1525. You can see it here, high. H H indicates high, 1525. Will update you once if got opportunity to trade in any of the stock. I'll show how to place an order. LIC Housing Finance will buy this stock 300 quantity at 308.7 MBO order 308.7 with a stop loss of 3 rupees and target of 6 rupees. Guys, we have entered into trade. We have bought LIC Housing Finance at 308.7. After our buying position, it went into negative direction, opposite to our direction, and then it come to our price, which at what we bought. Now, if it breaks the high of today, we will trail our stop loss. We will reduce our risk in this trade. Our risk in this trade is 3.8 rupees. 3.8 into 300 stock, it is around 1000 rupees. So our target is 1 is to 2. If our risk is 1000 rupees, we'll try to take a profit of 2000 rupees. So we'll see what will happen going forward. We'll see if the stock break this, we will trail our stop loss. Guys, stock went to negative direction after our entry, but it took support at GAN level and it is going up now. It is retracing for a short time. I'm expecting this. If it cross this candle's high, which is 311.95, here you can see high. It is 311.95. If it goes above this 311.95, we will trail our stop loss to here below this candle, which is 306.85. Okay, and I will explain this. What here O stands for opening of particular candle. Like if I put this cursor on this candle, it will show O means opening of the candle is 309.15 and high of that candle is 311.70. L implies low of that candle. Low in that candle is 309.15 and C implies closing of that candle is 311.10. So if it crosses above this candle high, which is 311.95, I will trail my stop loss to here below this candle, below this red candle, which is 306.85. I'll reduce my risk. Now we'll see how the stock will move. For now it is retracing. retracing means it is coming down for moment. Since it gave a moment in the upside, it is coming down. Some profit bookings have been happening. So after this, when it crosses this high, we'll trail the stop loss. We'll update you what is going. Guys, I am done for the day. I have booked a profit of 1000 rupees. Overall, it is a roller coaster ride of emotions during the trade. I hit two stop losses. I thought of book 1800 loss, and I'm done for the day. But I got an opportunity in Bank Nifty futures, so I have shorted. I went on to sell side in Bank Nifty, from where I captured the 3000 rupees profit, so that my total net to net I am in profit of 1000 rupees. So I will explain what happened with the trades. This is LIC Housing Finance, which I entered buy side in the morning. I entered buy side in the morning at 308.67. So it went up to 312. It gave me 3 rupees profit. Approx I am getting a 1000 rupee profit in this in the morning. I thought that this will move further up and it will give the target of 316. It is about 4.5 rupees away from my target. I did not book the profit of 1000 rupees in the morning, and later part of the day, because of the wild movement of the market, it fell down and it took my stop loss. I booked a loss of 1100 in the LIC Housing Finance. At the same time, I have took a trade in HDFC Bank also. In HDFC Bank also, after I enter into trade, I entered around here 127. After that, it went up to 131.5. I am receiving I have got a profit of 3 to 400 at the time. I thought again it will also give my profit of same 1238, which was my target, but same due to sudden volatility in the market, sudden fall in the market, it also went down and it took my stop loss. So after that I thought of closing my uh, trading system, and book a profit of 1800. After that, with there are some logics which are satisfying to short the Bank Nifty. So based on that levels, I have shorted Bank Nifty at 29,960, and I booked a profit at 23,850, around somewhere here. I shorted at 960 here, and I booked a profit at 950 somewhere here. So because of that, I booked a profit of 3000, which covered my entire loss and gave a profit of 1000 rupees for today. That is today's trades. Overall good, and ending in a green positive is a good sign. Thanks for watching the video. We'll meet tomorrow if we got any good opportunity to trade. Thanks. Bye.